How to delete a domain from your Crazy Domains account. Once you're logged into your account, the domain you'd like to delete, you can press on Manage, or you can press on the gear icon. It's going to take you to the same place. So if I want to delete this particular domain, I'll press on Manage, and from here, simply hover over these three dots here, and then select Delete Domain. Read through this message, because it is a very serious action that you're taking, and then continue to delete. What is the main reason it's asking you? You can select anyone, no longer needed in my example, and then confirm, delete. This is how you delete your domain from Crazy Domains account.